Hi there, my name is Dinda. I'm from Beauty of Lasem. Right now, I want to tell you about Beauty of Lasem City. Lasem, a city on the northern coast of Rembang, Central Java. It's known as Little China with all Chinese architectural houses and traces of the Chinese community that lived in the 15th century. This city is a center of traditional white batik with a combination of Japanese and Chinese motifs. Known for the use of chicken red color or keteh pite, produces a distinctive red color that is difficult to emulate in other places. Until now, Lasem remains a symbol of tolerance, diversity, and cultural center of batik.